Want to speak English fluently but feel stuck? Tired of memorizing grammar rules that don't help you in real conversations? I get it. Learning English can feel frustrating, but today, I'm giving you a step-by-step plan to start speaking English fluently in just 30 days, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do each day to improve your speaking, listening, and confidence. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'm also sharing my #1 tip that helps me learn a language fast. And hey, if you're serious about improving your English, hit that subscribe button. I'm here every week helping you become fluent faster. Now let's start day 1 of your fluency journey. Week 1, build your foundation, listen and repeat. Step 1, from day 1 to 7, surround yourself with English, want to think in English. Then start hearing English all the time. Listen to native speakers daily, podcasts, YouTube, Netflix, without subtitles. Repeat phrases out loud, shadowing technique. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing in your head. Example, I'm making coffee. I'm opening the fridge. This helps you start thinking in English automatically. Step 2, from day 3 to 7, you'll master common phrases. You don't need thousands of words to speak fluently, just the most common phrases that native speakers use. Instead of, how do you do? Say, how's it going? Instead of, I am very tired, say, I'm exhausted. Instead of, I do not understand, say, I don't get it. Your task this first week is to practice 5 to 10 phrases every day and use them in conversations. Week 2, speak more, even if you make mistakes. Step 3, from day 8 to 14, speak every day in English. The secret to fluency? Speaking. Even if you make mistakes, you must speak. Talk to a language partner on apps that are made for practicing English. Record yourself speaking about your day. Use apps like Elsa Speak or Google Assistant to check pronunciation. Speaking challenge. Morning, say what you're going to do today. Afternoon, describe what you just did. Evening, talk about what went well and what was hard. The more you speak, the faster you improve. Week 3, think in English. Step 4, from day 15 to 21, stop translating. Stop thinking in your native language first. This slows you down. Instead, picture the words in your mind instead of translating. Use English to English dictionaries. Describe objects around you in English, even simple things like, the chair is brown. Example, don't think, how do I say parrot in English? Instead, think, dog, and without translating. This is how native speakers think in English. Step 5, copy native speakers. If you want to sound fluent, you need to speak like fluent people. Copy how native speakers pronounce words, intonation and rhythm. Watch interviews, vlogs, TED Talks, mimic their tone and expressions. Use AI voice assistants like Siri or Google to check your pronunciation. Try shadowing a 10-second clip from your favorite movie or podcast every day. Week 4, become confident and natural. Step 6, from day 22 to 26, learn natural expressions. Now that you understand English better, it's time to sound more natural and confident. Use filler words like, well, you know, actually. Replace formal phrases with natural ones. Instead of, yes, I do, say, yeah, sure. Instead of, it is good, say, it's awesome. Instead of, you are welcome, say, no problem. Your goal, sound like a real English speaker, not like a textbook. Step 7. From day 27 to 29, join conversations, leave comments in English on YouTube or Reddit. Join Facebook groups or Discord servers where people speak English. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Pretend you're in a real conversation. No partner, no problem. Try ChatGPT voice mode to practice with AI. This is the #1 secret to fluency, and it starts from day 30 and beyond. Step 8. Make English part of your life forever. Don't stop after 30 days. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving. Change your phone language to English. Listen to English content every day. Keep practicing with real people, even if you feel nervous. Fluency isn't about being perfect, it's about communicating confidently. And that is your 30-day fluency roadmap. Now, I want you to take action. Comment below, which step are you starting today? And hey, if you want more tips like this, make sure to subscribe. Your English fluency starts now. Let's go.